Elderly man found wandering on Tuesday as the police seeks the public assistance to get in touch with his relatives. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Rockford police are seeking the public's assistance to find the relatives of an elderly man who was found wandering along Sir Florizel Glassboat Boulevard in Kingston on Tuesday, September the 7th. The man gave his name as Bonnie Brown and told the police that he was from Colleyville in Manchester. The police have, however, been unable to locate his family and he wasn't able to provide any additional information. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Mr. Brown's family or who can assist the police in any way is being asked to contact the Rockford Police at 876-922-2941, the Police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.